Hi, I'm Sam Marland and I'm a solution architect in the UK Financial Services team.
And I'm Tim Beattie, and I'm a part of the Red Hat Open Innovation Labs.
So Tim, I was on the Open Practice Library website the other day and I saw this loop at the top of the page. I see it's got a discovery loop and a delivery loop. I think that's a really great tool to get me going. But I've got a specific question around adding value to the customer quickly. I'm struggling with that. Can you help?
Yeah, sure. It's a great question. Actually, every time we come out of this delivery loop, we want to be able to deliver an increment of the product that is delivering value to the end user. We have this awesome practice in Open Innovation Labs that helps us with this. It's called value slicing.
Okay, I think I saw that. It's part of the options pivot, right?
Yeah, that's right. Basically, it allows us to group together things like research spikes and UI prototypes, experiments and implementation features, and group them together so that we're constantly delivering value.
Okay, maybe we can work through a little example. What do you think?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, all this talk of cake, of slices has given me a business idea. I think we need to build an app that helps bakeries in London get their products out to different people.
Okay.
Think it's a good idea?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, I've already done some event storming and impact mapping to come up with the features that I think we need to build for this app, but I'm struggling to put them into a list that I can get value out to the customer quickly.
Cool. So first of all, what we want to do is visualize all of that great learning and understanding that's come out of your impact maps and your event storms and any other practices that's got you through this discovery loop. And what we can do is we can bucket up all of those ideas under these categories, which are kind of outcomes to the end user. So here we've got some stuff around login, selecting your tasty product, checking out, and ultimately delivering and tracking your order.
Okay, so what's all this other detail that's below the spine that we've created here?
Oh, it's exactly that. It's the low-level detail. It's the candidate features that will help us get to the outcomes up above. So we've got some browsing categories features, view product details, adding to the basket, adding the delivery details, and paying with PayPal. And together, this forms this great slice of value, which we visually represent with the slice beneath.
Okay, I think I get it. So what we're saying is that if we build all of these things together, that will add value to the customer more quickly than, say, building all of select product or login.
Exactly. We could build all of this select product features first, but then our application wouldn't allow us to take payment or to deliver the order. And that's not valuable to us or to our customers.
Okay, I think I get it. So basically what we're saying is all of this stuff here is in scope, right? And everything else is just out of scope. We don't need it.
No, not at all. All we're saying is we're going to build and deploy this first and give it to our users, and then we'll decide what the next slice of value could be.
Okay, let's say we get our first increment out and we get some fantastic feedback from our customers. But they say the one thing that we could do better is by providing them some tracking information they could make their cup of tea to have with the cake ready for when it arrives. Sure. But that's down in the third value slice. How do we fix this problem?
Well, that's the beauty of this. Every time we come back into our options pivot, we can reassess the relative importance of the future features. And this is a living, breathing artifact. So if we do get awesome feedback like that, we can move this feature up into a higher slice. Or we could create a whole new slice for it altogether.
Okay, awesome. And how many of these tasty slices can I have?
Well, as many as you want. In fact, the more the better. If we are constantly delivering small increments of value to our users, we're getting much closer to our goal of continuous delivery.
Okay, and I think this makes loads of sense. And it looks like each of these could make a nice sprint or iteration. Is that right?
No, not at all, actually. From this practice alone, we don't know how complex each of these features are or how long it will take to deliver. We've actually got other practices that helps us with that.
And where can I find out more about those practices, Tim?
So, value slicing, relative sizing, iteration planning, these are all practices in our Open Practice Library, which you can find at www.openpracticelibrary.com, or you can talk to your local Red Hat account executive.
I love it. Thanks for your help, Tim.
No problem.